Good day everyone, this is Sir Echo, and for today's discussion, it is about higher order derivative. Based in our definition about higher order derivative, the end derivative of the function f, where n is a positive integer greater than 1, is the derivative of the n minus 1 derivative of f. We denote the nth derivative of f by fn prime, or rewrite as like this. Yan. Ito siya. Fn prime of x. Dito po sa konsepto ng higher order derivative, ang gagawin natin is to differentiate not only once yung ating function, but we could differentiate this into twice, thrice, or 4 time, or 5th time, as long as kung ano po yung nire-required ng ating problem. So, dito po makikita nyo yung iba't ibang notation of a higher order derivative. Siyempre, familiar tayo sa first derivative, which is yung y prime f prime of x dy dx, di ba? Yan po yung mga first derivative natin, which is yung usual thing na ginagawa natin. Kaya po, dito sa higher order derivative, halimbawa, nag-derive tayo ng isang first equation, and then we are requiring to have the second derivative. So, yung nakuha po natin na sagot sa first derivative will be differentiated again for us to get yung ating second derivative. So, dito po, sabi dito sa ating notation, notice that for derivatives of higher order than the third, so, ibig sabihin po, hindi siya yung third derivative, hindi siya yung third derivative, so it could be the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, that will be going to the nth derivative. So, yung parenthesis daw, distinguish a derivative from a power. For example, ito, this one, f raised to 4, parenthesis x, parenthesis, is not equal dito sa ating f raised to, parenthesis, 4, parenthesis, plus parenthesis x, parenthesis. Kasi po, this one is the fourth prime of x na tinatawag. So, ito naman, f to the fourth of x. Right? So, ganun po natin nadidistinguish sa isang notation yung ating higher order derivative. Para mas maintindihan natin yung konsepto ng ating higher order derivative, let's have examples. Let's have our first example for higher order derivative. So, find the triple prime of the given function y is equal to negative 5x raised to 3 plus 3x squared plus 2x raised to negative 4. Dito, dadaan muna tayo ng first derivative, second derivative, bago tayo makatungtong ng third derivative. So, dito sa ating problem, gagamitin lang natin is yung rule natin sa constant multiple rule, tsaka yung ating power rule. So, kunin natin yung first derivative. So, yung first derivative that is y prime is equal to, so yung yung derivative na negative 5x raised to 3, that is negative 15x squared. So, derivative ng 3x squared, that is 6x. Derivative ng 2x raised to negative 4, that is negative 8x raised to negative 5. And then, after nyan, kunin natin yung second derivative. So, second derivative ng mismong equation natin sa first derivative. So, derivative ng negative 15x squared, that is negative 30x plus 6. Derivative ng negative 8x raised to negative 5, that is positive 40x raised to negative 6. And then, after nyan is yung ating last derivative, which is yung third derivative natin. So, derivative ng negative 30x, that is negative 30. Derivative ng constant, that is 0. And then, derivative ng 40x raised to negative 6, that is negative 240x x raised to negative 7. So, y triple prime, that is equals sa negative 30 minus 240. Baba lang natin yung x natin sa denominator kasi nga naka-raise tayo sa negative exponent. So, we have x raised to 7. So, pagsamahin natin sila, so kunin natin yung ating LCD, which is x raised to the 7. Then we have negative 30 x 7 minus 240. Then pwede pa nga natin ilabas yung ating negative dyan. So negative parenthesis 30 x 7 plus na to, syempre dahil naglabas tayo negative, 240 all over x to the 7th power. So ito yung ating y triple prime. And this our final answer. Let's have our second example. Find the second derivative or yung y double prime of the given function. So yung given function natin is y is equal to 3 raised to x squared. So kung papansinin nyo yung ating given equation is we have 3 raised to x squared. And 3 is a constant and raised siya sa isang expression which is x squared. So, ang gagamitin natin na formula for that is yung ating a raised to u. Yung derivative natin for a raised to u. So, ano ba yung formula for derivative ng a raised to u? That is derivative of a raised to u all over dx. That is equal to a raised to u multiplied by ln a multiplied by du dx. So, dito, ang pinapakuha, di ba, second derivative. So, kunin muna natin yung ating first derivative. Dito, para hindi tayo malito, so, kunin natin yung mga given natin. So, ano ba yung mga given natin dito? So, we have yung a and we have yung u. So, write natin. And then, kunin natin yung derivative ng ating u. So, yung a natin, that is 3. Yung u natin, that is x squared. And yung derivative ng u natin, ito, yung derivative po nito. So, anong derivative po niyan? That is 2x. And then, yung nakuha nating mga given dito is i-plug natin dito sa mismong derivative formula. Therefore, y prime is equal to a natin that is 3 and u natin that is x squared multiplied by ln a, so that is ln 3 multiplied by du dx natin. So, yung du natin, that is 2x. And we can rewrite this as y prime is equal to 2 ln 3 multiplied by x multiplied by 3 raised to x squared. And furthermore, we can rewrite this as y prime is equal to ln 3 raised to 2 logarithm yung rule sa logarithm. So, x times 3x squared. And then, y prime, simplify pa natin. That is ln 9 multiplied by x multiplied by 3 raised to x squared. And then, syempre, kapag pinalag natin sa calculator yung ln 9, syempre, may lalabas yan na value. Therefore, masasabi natin that ln 9 is a constant. And yung natitira na to, ito yung expression na nakamultiply. Syempre, ito yung magiging basis natin for our second derivative. And this ln 9 is just a multiple. So, pang-multiply lang siya. So, papasinin nyo, we have x multiplied by 3 raised to x squared. That is a product rule. So, ano yung formula for the product rule sa derivative? That is, di ba, du times v is equal to u dv plus v du. So, dito, ilelet natin yung isa as u and yung isa naman as v. So, kopyahin lang muna natin. That is, y prime is equal to ln 9. So, yung ln 9 natin, that is a constant and just a multiple. So, we have, ito, gawin natin u, ito yung ating v. So, plug in na lang natin yung formula muna. That is u dv plus v du. So, y prime is equal to, so, yung u natin is equal siya sa x. So, yung derivative ng u, that is equal to, so, yung derivative ng u natin, that is 1. Ba't nagaganon siya? So, dito na lang. So, ln 9. So, yung u natin is x. Then, yung derivative ng v natin. Di ba nakuha na natin yung unang derivative nito? Yung 3x, right? So, yung nakuha natin, that is, ito. So, ang gawin natin, plug na lang natin yan. That is ln 9 multiplied by x multiplied by 3 raised to x squared plus yung v natin, that is 3 raised to x squared, and then syempre yung derivative ng u natin, that is 1. Y prime is equal to, so simplify lang muna natin, ay double prime na po to, so ln 9, that is x squared ln 9 3x raised to 2 plus 3 raised to x squared. Yan. So, ang papansinin nyo, meron tayong common. So, may common tayo, which is yung ating 3 raised to x squared. So, y double prime is equal to, labas lang natin yon, that is, we have 3 raised to x squared multiplied by ln 9 multiplied by, so ano na yung matitira dito? X squared ln 9 plus 1. And this is our final answer. Let's have our third example, wherein we're going to find again yung ating second derivative of the given function xy plus y squared is equal to 1. So, andito, papansinin nyo, we have xy. So, pag may xy, that is a product rule. Na kung saan, yung u natin will be x or kaya man yung y or vice versa. So, sa atin, gawin natin, yung u natin is yung ating x. So, ito, u multiplied by v. So, that is u dv plus v du. Plus natin, ito, power rule lang. That is 2y y prime is equal to. So, ito may 1 to, nawala. So, derivative ng constant, that is 0. So, u natin, that is x. Derivative ng v, that is y prime plus y, derivative ng u, that is 1. So, kahit di na natin sulat. So, plus 2y, y prime is equal to 0. So, ang gagawin natin is to isolate yung ating mga y primes sa left-hand side ng ating equation. And then, yung wala namang y prime, lipat natin sa right-hand side. So, ang lilipat natin is ito, dito. Lipat natin siya dito. So, from positive, magiging negative. So, that will be x, y prime plus 2y, y prime is equal to negative y. Siyempre, factor out natin yung y prime. That will be x plus 2y is equal to negative y. And divide natin both sides by x plus 2y. Then, ito rin, x plus 2y. Siyempre, ito, makakancel out. Cancelled. Our answer for y prime, that is y prime is equal to negative y all over x plus 2y. Yari na po ba tayo? Hindi pa. Kasi meron pa tayong second prime or y double prime. So, kunin natin yung ating second derivative. So, kung papansinin nyo, yung nakuha nating equation is a fraction. May fraction tayo. Ito, may fraction tayo. So, ano yung formula natin for the derivative ng isang fraction? That is yung quotient rule. So, yung quotient rule natin is yung log de high minus high de low all over log squared. So, that will be y double prime kasi second derivative na tayo. So, low. So, yung low natin that is x plus 2y multiplied by the high derivative ng y that is negative y prime minus low natin ay high which is negative y multiplied natin sa derivative ng ating low which is 1 plus 2y prime. That is 1 plus 2y prime. All over natin, syempre sa ating log squared, x plus 2y raised to 2. So, y double prime is equal to, ito, distribute lang natin. So, magiging, ito, distribute lang po. Distribute. So, that will be negative x y prime plus, ay ito, negative pala, sorry po, that will be negative, so negative 2y y prime, tapos ganun din dito, so ito, multiply na natin, magiging positive, and then multiply natin siya dito, magiging positive y, that's positive y. Then, again, ito, tsaka iyon. So, itong negative dito, magiging positive. Tapos, dito, multiply, that is positive 2y y prime. All over natin sa ating x plus 2y raised to 2. So, y double prime natin is equal to, so, ito, may makakancel tayo dyan. Ito, tsaka ito. So, matitira natin is, ano po yung matitira natin? We have negative x, y prime, plus y all over sa x plus 2y raised to 2. So, syempre, dahil meron nga tayong y prime, ano ba yung nakuha nating y prime? Di ba may value tayo ng y prime? Substitute natin siya ngayon. So, we have y double prime is equal to negative x. Ano yung y prime natin? That is negative y all over x plus 2y plus y. So, sir, paano naging ganun? So, ito kasi, di ba, may y prime tayo and we have a value for y prime, di ba? So, gagamitin natin siya. So, kaya naging ganito siya. So, y double prime is equal sa negative x, ito yun. Ito. Then, y prime natin, ito yun. Ayan. Plus, syempre, yung ating y all over sa ating x plus 2y raised to 2. So, simplify lang natin siya. So, we have negative ay positive na siya. So, kasi na-multiply. So, that is positive xy all over sa x plus 2y plus y all over sa ating x plus 2y raised to 2. And then, ito all over 1. So, kunin natin yung kanilang LCD. That will be x plus 2y, right? So, x plus 2y divided sa x plus 2y, that is 1. So, magkakaroon lang tayo dito ng xy plus, tas dito, divide. So, x plus 2y yan. X plus 2y multiplied by y. All over sa ating x plus 2y raised to 2. Siyempre, ito all over sa 1. Diba, meron tayong formula for the complex fraction. We have, if meron tayong a all over b, all over c all over d, that is equal sa a multiplied by d all over b multiplied by c. So, ito, by simplification, we have y prime is equal to, so magiging x plus 2y raised to 3. Kasi ito is yung ating c and ito yung ating b, right? So, parehas sila. And then, syempre, ito madadagdagan lang ng exponent. Then, kopya lang natin nasa taas. That is xy plus x plus 2y multiplied by y. Distribute lang natin. That is xy plus xy plus 2y squared all over x plus 2y raised to 3. So, simplify lang natin. That is y double prime is equal to, dahil may common, combine lang natin yun. So, we have 2y squared plus 2xy all over sa ating x plus 2y raised to 3. And this will be our final answer. So, this could be your final answer, or kaya man po, or kaya man, or dahil nga, pwede pa natin i-factor out yung 2, right? So, we have y squared plus xy all over sa ating x plus 2y raised to 3. So, yung y squared plus xy, eto, tignan nyo sa ating given, right? We have xy plus y squared, right? Which is equal sa 1. Therefore, masasabi natin na yung pinaka-final answer talaga natin, that is y double prime is equal sa 2, and in this one is equivalent siya sa 1 kasi nga dito siya galing. So, we have 2 all over sa ating x plus 2y raised to 3. So, minsan hindi na kasi na rin natin napapansin yung mga ganong manipulation, right? So, for me, so, eto pwede na rin, but still, this will be the correct answer kasi ito yung pinakasimple. Let's have our fourth example. Find the second derivative of the given function. So, yung given function po natin is y prime cosine square root ng x. So, ano ba yung formula natin for derivative ng cosine square root ng x or cosine u? So, ang derivative po natin doon is cosine u all over dx, that is equal to negative sine u times du dx. Bali po, ito yung ating trigonometric function, which is yung cos, and yung u yung ating katabi. Therefore, kunin natin yung derivative ng u natin. So, yung u natin, that is square root ng x. And yung derivative ng u natin, that is square root. So, we have 1 all over 2 square root ng x. Then, yung nakukuha natin dito, plug lang natin siya dito. So, therefore, y prime is equal to negative sign. So, yung u natin, that's square root ng x multiplied by derivative ng u, that is 1 all over 2 square root ng x. Furthermore, that is negative sign square root ng x all over 2 square root ng x. Dahil nga second derivative, hindi pa tayo tapos. So, papansinin nyo yung ating nakuhang equation, that is apply natin yung quotient rule. So, yung quotient rule is yung law di high minus high di low all over law squared. So, we will be having, so, halimbawa, yung low natin, that is 2 square root ng x, and yung high natin, high, that is equal to negative sign square root ng x. So, yung derivative ng delo natin, yung delo natin, so that is 2 multiplied by 1 all over 2 square root ng x. Kasi ito yan, di ba? Kasi ito yan. At ito yan. So, ito rin yun. So, etong 2 makakancel. Ay, maya na lang pala. Maya na lang natin i-cancel para medyo mas madali. So, let's stay like that. Tapos, sa ating high naman, so yung derivative ng high natin, the high, diba, that is negative sine square root ng x. Ano ba yung formula natin for derivative ng sine? So, derivative of sine u all over dx, that is equal to cosine u times du dx. So, that is, so yung ating magiging sagot for that will be negative cosine u natin, that's square root of x, then multiplied by 1 all over 2 square root ng x. So, the high natin is equal siya sa, the high is equal to negative cosine square root ng x all over 2 square root of x. Tapos, we can do na yung ating second derivative. So, y double prime is equal to, so low, that is 2 square root ng x multiplied by the high, that is negative cosine square root of x all over 2 square root of x minus high natin, low di high minus high di low. So, high is negative sine square root ng x multiplied by the low, which is 2 all over 2 square root ng x. All over sa ating law squared, that is 2 square root ng x raised to 2. So, y double prime is equal to 2 square root ng x multiplied by negative cosine square root of x all over 2 square root ng x. Dahil ito negative tsaka negative magiging positive. So, that's positive 2 sine square root of x all over 2 square root of x all over sa ating 2 square root of x raised to 2. Siyempre, pwede nating pagsamahin yung ating eto, yun nasa taas, di ba? Similar fraction sila. Bakit sila naging similar fraction? Kasi pareho sila ng denominator. So, we could say that y double prime is equal sa 2 square root of x. So, we have 2 square root of x multiplied by negative cosine square root of x plus 2 sine square root of x. All over, syempre, sa ating 2 square root of x raised to 2. So, katulad lang ng kanina sa complex fraction natin, so, we have the AD all over BC. Yun yung ating pagsisimplify for that complex fraction. So therefore, we could say that y double prime is equal to 2 square root of x minus multiplied by negative cosine square root of x plus 2 sine square root of x all over sa 2 square root of x raised to 3. And then, papansinin nyo, we have common sa taas, diba? Which is 2. 2 yung ating common sa ating taas. So, y double prime is equal sa 2. Factor lang natin yon. So, we have here square root of x multiplied by negative cosine square root of x plus sine square root of x all over sa ating, so ito pwede natin tong ma-distribute, right? So we have 2 raised to 3, then yung ating square root of x raised to 3 can be rewrite as sorry, medyo malaki pala yan. So kapag rewrite as x square root of x. And dahil nga may common tayo na 2, so ito cancel. Dito may matitirang 2 pa. So that's 2 raised to 2 will be 4. So our final answer will be y double prime is equal to negative square root of x cosine square root of x plus sine square root of x all over sa ating 4x square root of x. And this will be our final answer for this second derivative ng ating y is equal sa cos square root of x. Let's have our last example for this topic, which is yung ating higher order derivative. So we have the function y is equal to 3 sine squared x. So papansinin nyo yung ating given, yung trigonometric natin is naka-raise siya sa 2. So this one can be rewrite or rewritten as y is equal to 3 parenthesis sine x raised to 2. So pwede na natin siyang i-derivative. So yung kukunin natin is yung ating third derivative. So derivative formula ng sin u all over dx, that is cosine u times du dx. Right? Tapos, papansinin nyo, dahil nga ito is naka-raise siya sa exponent, so gagamitin natin is yung ating chain rule. So that is y is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 sine x multiplied by itong nasa loob natin. So anong derivative niyan? That is cosine x times derivative ng x, that is 1. So we have y is equal to 3 3 multiplied by 2 sine x cosine x. Kung familiar kayo sa trigonometric identity ng double angle, so double angle identity na kung saan yung sine 2a is equal daw sa 2 sine a cosine a. And this form can be transformed in this form. So, ito yung 2 sin x cosine x, where yung a dito is any algebraic expression. So, dito, we have the same, which is xx. Ayan, a, right? So, transform natin siya to this form. So, we can say that y prime natin is equal to 3 sine 2x. Tapos, kunin natin yung second derivative ng ating y prime. So, y double prime is equal to 3. So, derivative ng sine natin, that is cosine 2x multiplied by u. Yun nasa loob natin, that is 2. So, we have y double prime is equal to 6 cosine 2x. And for the derivative ng ating cosine u, we have the formula negative sine u multiplied by du dx. So, ito, getting the third derivative. So, we have 6 multiplied by negative sine 2x multiplied by the derivative ng 2x, that is 2. So, we have y triple prime is equal to negative 12 sine 2x. And this will be our final answer. Sana po may natutunan kayo sa ating topic na higher order derivative. Again, yung konsepto ng higher order derivative is not only differentiating once, but kung ano yung nire-required ng ating problem. So, higher derivative po siya. So, it can be done twice, thrice, on a fourth time, fifth time, as long as kung ano po ang given ng ating problem. Kung ano po yung requirement niya. So, kung naintindihan nyo to, let's have some practice. Kung lubos nyo naunawaan yung ating topic ngayon, which is yung ating higher order derivative, kindly try to solve this problem. So, for number 1, find down natin yung ating double prime of the given function y is equal to 3x all over 2 square root of 1 minus x. For number 2, find down natin yung second derivative of the function y is equal to ln parenthesis ln x parenthesis. And lastly, what is the second derivative of y is equal to x raised to x? And these are the answers in our practice problem. Hope you got it. See ya!